Exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. First subdivision 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Completing the square method, first we have to make coefficient of x square is 1. Dividing by 2 on both sides. ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மை 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணும். x ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. இப்போ கோயில் ஆஃப் x எடுத்து அதை 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணும். கோயில் ஆஃப் x வந்து 7 by 2. 7 by 2 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா 7 by 4. அப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கம் 7 by 4 we have to add and subtract 7 by 4 the whole square. Adding and subtracting whole square. X square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 the whole square minus 7 by 4 the whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. இப்போ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x square minus 2 into 7 by 4 into x. இந்த 2 கேன்சல் பண்ணா இங்க 2 ஆயிடும். இந்த 2 ஆல கட் பண்ணா 7 by 2 வந்துரும். plus 7 by 4 the whole square minus 7 by 4 the whole square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த மூணு டேர்ம் சேர்ந்தா ஒரு ஃபார்முலா a ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் 2ab plus b ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ a minus b the whole square x minus 7 by 4 the whole square. இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு போல இது 49 by 16 ஆகும். 7 square 49, 4 square 16, இது மைனஸ் பர்சன்ட். இது வந்து மைனஸ் 3 by 2. இப்போ இது எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தா 16 எல்சிஎம். 16ல 16 1 டைம். 1 into 49, 49. 16ல 2 8 times. 8 into 3 24. x minus by 4 the whole square equal to 25 by 16. 25 by 16 வந்து 5 by 4 the whole square. இப்போ taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. இப்போ x minus 1 by 4 equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. இப்போ x minus 1 by 4 equal to plus 5 by 4. x is equal to plus 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 4. இது ரெண்டு காமன் டினாமினேட்டர். அப்போ 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is 3. x minus 7 by 4 equal to minus 5 by 4. இப்போ இந்த 7 minus 7 by right hand side. x is equal to 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. இது common denominator 4. 7 minus 5 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2 are the roots. Second subdivision 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both sides. ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மும் 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா x ஸ்கொயர் plus x by 2 minus 2 equal to 0. இப்போ கோயில் எஃப்எக்ஸ் வந்து 1 by 2. 1 by 2 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா 1 by 4. அப்போ 1 by 4 the whole square add பண்ணா 1 by 4 the whole square subtract பண்ணு. Adding and subtracting one by 4 the whole square, x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 2 equal to 0. இப்போ இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா x square plus 2 into 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 2 equal to 0. இப்போ 2 கட் பண்ணால் 1 by 2 இந்த 1 by 2 x by 2 வந்துடும். இப்போ இந்த மூணு டேர்மு a square plus 2ab plus b square. அப்போ a plus b the whole square x plus 1 by 4 the whole square. இது அந்த பக்கம் எட்டு போனால் ப்ளஸ் ஆயிரும். அப்போ 1 by 16. இது அந்த பக்கம் போனால் ப்ளஸ் 2. இதுக்கு எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தால் 16. இது by 1. 16 16 1 times 1 into 1 1. 16 1 16 times 16 into 2 32 is equal to x plus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to இது வந்து 33. அப்போ 33 by 16. அப்போ இது root 33 by 4 the whole square. Now taking square root on both sides. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 33 by 4. இப்போ ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மாக ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணோம். x plus 1 by 4 equal to plus 33 by 4. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus root 33 by 4. Now x is equal to the LCM is 4 minus 1 plus root 33. அதே x plus 1 by 4 equal to minus root 33 by 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus root 33 by 4. Now LCM எடுத்தா 4 minus 1 minus root 33 by 4 are the roots. This is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4 are the roots. Third subdivision 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square is 4. We have to make coefficient of x square is 1. Divide by 4 on both sides. Dividing by 4 on both sides. ஒவ்வொரு டேர்மும் 4 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா x ஸ்கொயர் plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equal to 0. இப்போ coefficient of x வந்து root 3. root 3 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா root 3 by 2. அப்போ root 3 by 2 the whole square add பண்ணனும் subtract பண்ணனும். Adding and subtracting root 3 by 2 the whole square. X square plus root 3x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த மூணு டேர்ம் எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா x square plus 2 into root 3 by 2 into x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4 equal to 0. இது வந்து a square term, இது வந்து 2ab term, இது b square term. அப்போ x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square, இது ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு எங்கே போச்சுன்னா root 3 square பண்ணா 3, 2 square பண்ணா 4, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 equal 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Therefore, இப்போ இதை கேன்சல் பண்ணால் 0 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0. x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. அப்போ ரெண்டுக்குமே சேம் ஆன்சர். xக்கு ரெண்டு வேலையும் கிடைக்கும். x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 are the roots. This quadratic equation has same roots. Both the roots are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. Fourth subdivision, 2x square plus x plus 4. First we have to make quotient of x square is 1, dividing by 2. X square, 2x square by 2x square plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 equal to 0 by 2 equal to 0. X square plus x by 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now quotient of x is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2, 1 by 4. We have to add 1 by 4 the whole square and subtract 1 by 4 the whole square. Adding and subtracting. One by 4 the whole square. X square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole square minus 1 by 4 the whole square plus 2 equal to 0. Now x square plus 2 into x by 4 0. இப்போ இந்த திருட்டம் a square plus 2ab plus b square x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 by 16 minus 2. X plus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to 1 by 16 minus 2 by 1. Now LCM 16. 16 divided by 16, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 16 divided by 1, 16. 16 into 2, 32. X plus 1 by 4 the whole square equal to minus 31 by 16. Now x square element is not possible to take square because right hand side we got negative number. Therefore, x plus 1 by 4 the whole square cannot be negative. Or any real values of x. There is no real value of x. there is no real value of x satisfies the equation. Therefore, the above equation has no real roots. The above equation has no real roots. Exercise 4.3, question number 2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by applying quadratic formula. First subdivision, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Above standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we will find a, b, c. A equal to coefficient of x square 2, b equal to coefficient of x minus 7, c equal to constant of 3. Quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now applying the corresponding values, x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 7 plus 7, square root of b square is 49, minus 4, a 2, c 3 by 2a, 2 into 2 is equal to x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3 by 4. X is equal to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 25 root 25 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. 25 is 25 square root plus or minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, comma x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 4, x is equal to 2 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by 2 are roots. Second question, 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Compare it to standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficient of x square, a equal to coefficient of x square 2, b equal to coefficient of x 1, c equal to constant of minus 4. Quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to, substitute the corresponding values, minus b is 1, minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 minus 4 a 2 c minus 4 by a 2 into 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 2 minus plus 1 plus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 4 32 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and x is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus root 33 by 4 are the roots. Third subdivision, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Compare it to standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square 4, b is coefficient of x 4 root 3, c is constant of 3. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the corresponding values. X is equal to minus b minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 a4 c3 by 2a, 2 into 4. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 4 square 16, root 3 the whole square 3, 16 into 3 48 minus 4 into 4 16 into 3 48 by 2 into 4 8. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0. 48 minus 48 0, root 0 0 by 8 is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. So 2. Therefore x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. This quadratic equation has both the roots are equal roots. Subdivision 4. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Comparing standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to coefficient of x square 2, b equal to coefficient of x 1, c equal to constant of 4. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4 a 2 c 4 by 2 into 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 4s are 32 is equal to 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 31 by 4. Minus root of minus 31 is not possible. Therefore, is square root of minus 31 is not possible. Therefore, the above equation has no real roots. Exercise 4.3, question number 3. Find the roots of the following equations. First subdivision, second equation. We will do one by one. First subdivision, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not equal to 0. Why x not equal to 0 na? X க்கு 0 ஆச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by 0 is infinity. அதனால x வந்து 0 வரக்கூடாது. First we will take LCM. 1 க்கு x க்கு LCM x. X divided by 1 x. X into x, x square minus x divided by x 1. 1 into 1 1 is equal to 3. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணணும். X square minus 1 equal to x into 3 3x. இப்போ இதை left hand side கொண்டு வந்தா x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. We can use ax standard equation க்கு compare பண்ணி ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to coefficient of x square 1, b equal to coefficient of x minus 3, c equal to coefficient of c equal to constant term minus 1. Then quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b. b is minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. Plus or minus b square minus 3 the whole square 9 minus 4 a 1 c minus 1 by 2a 2 into 1. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 4 into 1 4 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 13. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2, one value. The second value x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2 are the roots. Second question. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30, where x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. இப்போ minus 4 போட்டால் என்ன அது 0 ஆயிரும். 1 by 0 infinity. இப்போ xக்கு 7 போட்டிங்கன்னா 7 minus 7 0 infinity ஆயிரும். அதனால் x வந்து minus 4 கிடையாது, 7 கிடையாது. Now we have to take LCM. x plus 4 ஒரு denominator, x minus 7 ஒரு denominator. LCM எடுக்கணும்னா multiply both the denominator. x plus 4 into x minus 7. X plus 4 into x minus 7 divided by x plus 4, you will get x minus 7. X minus 7 into 1, x minus 7. Minus x plus 4 into x minus 7 divided by x minus 7, you will get x plus 4. X plus 4 into 1, x plus 4. Equal to 11 by 30. இப்போ x minus 7 bracket remove பண்ணா minus x minus 4 divided by x into x, x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x, 4 into x plus 4x, 4 into minus 7 minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. This plus x minus x cancel, minus 11 divided by x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Now cross multiply. 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to minus 11 into 30. We can cancel minus in the 11. இங்கே 11 இங்கே 11 cancel பண்ணலாம். அப்போ x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to minus 30. Now minus 30 left hand side கொண்டு வந்தா x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. We got a quadratic equation. Now we can do by splitting the middle term. Coefficient of x square 1 constant of 2, 1 into 2, 2. We have to multiply பண்ணா 2 split பண்ணணும். Multiply பண்ணா plus 2, add பண்ணா minus 3. அப்போ multiply பண்ணா 2 னா ஒன்று both are negative or both are positive. ஆனால் add பண்ணா minus 3. அப்போ minus 2 minus 1. Multiply பண்ணி பாருங்க minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. The minus 3x split பண்ணியாச்சு minus 2x minus 3x. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம்ல காமன் இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம்ல காமன் x into x minus 2 minus இதுல 1 தான் காமன் 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. இப்போ காமன் எடுத்தோடனே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் x into x x square x into minus 2 minus 2x minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. இப்போ இந்த x minus 2 நீங்கள் காமன் எடுக்கலாம் x minus 2 காமன் எடுத்தால் x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. ஒவ்வொரு now a quadratic equation is converted into product of two linear factors. அப்போ individual linear factor 0 க்கு equate பண்ணணும் x minus 2 equal to 0 x is equal to 2 x minus 1 equal to 0 x is equal to 1 are the roots. Question number 4. The sum of reciprocals of Raghuman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So present age x na 3 years ago வந்து minus பண்ணணும் 3 years minus பண்ணணும் x minus 3 years 5 years from now na 5 years add பண்ணணும் Raghuman's present age is x means Raghuman's age 3 years ago is x minus 3 Raghuman's age 5 years from now is x plus 5 இப்போ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னா என்ன இப்போ 2 ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னா 1 by 2 3 ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் 1 by 3 x ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் 1 by x x plus 2 ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் 1 by x plus 2 அப்போ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னா 1 by கீழே இந்த வேரியபிளை கொண்டு போயிடும் அப்போ we have to find the sum of the reciprocals. இப்போ Raghuman's age 3 years ago வந்து x minus 3 அப்போ ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் வந்து 1 by x minus 3 5 years from now Raghuman's age வந்து x plus 5 அப்போ அதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் வந்து 1 by x plus 5 இப்போ ரெண்டு ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை ஆட் பண்ணாதான் 1 by 3 னா 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3 இதில் வந்து நம்ம ஃபார்ம் பண்ணோம் let present age of Raghuman's is x years. His age 3 years ago. His age 3 years ago is ago now minus பண்ணணும் x minus 3 years. His age 3 years from now. His age 5 years from now. Is 5 years from now na after 5 years na x plus 5 years. இப்போ reciprocal sum of reciprocals அப்போ இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலையும் இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை ஆட் பண்ணாதான் 1 by 3 அப்போ according to question one by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. Sum of the reciprocals is 1 by 3. Now take LCM. Two different denominator multiply பண்ணாதான் LCM. x minus 3 into x plus 5 divided by x minus 3 x plus 5 x plus 5 into 1 x plus 5 plus x minus 3 into x plus 5 divided by x plus 5 x minus 3 x minus 3 into 1 x minus 3 equal to 1 by 3. Now take x plus x 2x plus 2 5 minus 3 2 multiply பண்ணா x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x 15 equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. 1 into this x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 3 into 2x 6x plus 3 into 2 6. Now in the left hand side x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in x. Now we have to do by splitting the middle term. Coefficient of x square 1, constant term minus 21, coefficient of x is minus 4. We have to split minus 4. Multiply பண்ணா minus 21. Add பண்ணா minus 4. What are the factors of 21? 3 into 7, 21. வேற எந்த நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் 21 வராது. இப்போ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா minus 21 either one of the numbers should be negative. இப்போ both are negative அப்படின்னா பாசிட்டிவ் வந்துடும். both are பாசிட்டிவ்னாலும் பாசிட்டிவ் வந்துடும். அப்போ 1 3 க்கு நெகட்டிவ் கொடுத்தா 7 பாசிட்டிவ், 7 க்கு நெகட்டிவ் கொடுத்தா 3 பாசிட்டிவ். இப்போ கரெக்டானது நமக்கு ஆட் பண்ணா -4 வரணும்னா 3 க்கு -7, 3 க்கு தான் 7 க்கு -7 கொடுக்கணும். 7 க்கு -7 கொடுத்துட்டு 3 க்கு பாசிட்டிவ் சைடு கொடுத்தா 3 into -7 -21, 3 plus -7 -4. So அப்படிதான் -7 3. Therefore is split the middle term x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்ம் x into x minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7 equal to 0. X plus 3 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So product of two linear factors. Write the individual linear factor to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 7. What do you kept x? X is the present age of Raghman. Present age of Raghman is x. So this will not become, because age will not be negative there. So the present age of Raghman is 7 years. The present age of Raghman is 7 years.